So if we've got this pie of pie data here, and we've got, for exercise, we have 3 years of worth of data. It was a very common need to, or the request was out there to just show me those 3 data points in a little graph and make that graph part of this Excel spreadsheet. So just at a glance, I can see without looking at this, okay, this is 49.92, this is 48.85. That's a bigger number than that one, and this one's even less. So the data looks like, visualizes that. So if you want to be able to visualize this data, you can just click on this cell here and go to Insert, and under Sparklines, if I want a line chart, which is what I want, click on that. My data range is those 3 cells. I want it located in there. So just at a glance, you can see that the data is going down. Now, the little trick with this is, I noted in the extra credit part that the data looks like it's going down, but the years are backwards. They got 2013. So really the value of this, the sales have been going up on the exercise equipment, but here it looks like it's going down. So rather than redo the columns and put them in the right order, you can under Design, go to Axis, plot data right to left. And if you wanted to do some other formatting in there, you could as well. You know, there's all kinds of formatting little things in here that you could play with. But now you've got a little chart embedded in that cell, and you can just copy it down. So just at a glance, you could see which ones are performing well, which ones are going up, and which ones are going down. So that's a very, very common, snazzy little tool that they built into this version of Excel. So that's all I was planning on covering today. It's 10 after 10. So